Sanibonani babukele emakhaya, igama uDlozi wakwaMsibi uMkhondo TV. Lapha ke ngilethelana icompany ebizwa ngokuthiwa ke iFoodist Delivery. Icompany ke le iyenza umsebenzi wokuthi ke mongabe ufuna mhlawumbe ukuthenga izinto la edolobheni efuna bakulethela khona izona elokishini noma mhlawumbe indawo ezikhona khona la edolobheni, uyakwazi ukuthi ubafonele ubatshela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ningithengele ukuthi ningilethele la bese uyasho ukuthi ke ukuphi la uzobe khona khona. Ezinye ifana nazo lezo nje mawuthi abheka la emva kwethu bakhona umtshayisho waseDebonezi eBostiyezi noMarket Bean. Mangabe mhlawumbe khona ukufunayo la uselokishini kwaNtombazana usephoswa mangoSuthu eSpetha ebagadeni zonke lezo ndawo lezo uyakwazi ukuthi ke uthatha inombolo yabo ubafonele yazini ngicela inyama KFC or ngicela inyama ebushari Roots or kuphi bese ke bayafika kuwe ke bathatha imali mabe bathatha imali bazochaza kodwa abantu basebenza kanjani bakuthengele bese bayakulethela ekhaya. Kodwa ke ngizomukela uNkosinathi wakwaZwane ngicabanga ukuthi namazi nimiza ke maze ke ngobhune lokishini sebenza endaweni eziningi kuwo lama deliveries. Kusho ukuthi ngeke ungumunye umuntu abane experience kulo msebenzi ngicabanga ukuthi yilokho ebakubonile ukuthi yazini sangiqala nathi business manje sesimkante kule industry uzibaze ukuthi kasibeke kancane mhlawumbe kulokho afuna ukuveza. Mfowethu asikubingelele somukela uMkhondo TV.
Ngiyabonga ukungibukela mfowethu kaMsibi.
Uzama ukuphamisa nje izwi mhlawumbe nje uma usibeka kancane ukuthi ke niqala kanjani yonke lento lena nizothina abantu baseMkhondo?
Njengoba besiyachazile umfowethu kaMsibi igama lami uNkosingiphile isibongo ngakazwane. Abangaziyo bangazubhuna ngisebenzile ke endaweni eziningi ngisebenzela bona boDebonezi boGalithozi boStiyezi ukuthi ngenza ama deliveries. Kodwa ngabona ukuthi nali ithuba elivelayo linqayizivela ukuthi khona abantu abadinga amabhizinisi amancane njengabo Malabela, uTshatsha nabo Rasta abadayisa amakota nabo abadinga ukuthi nawo amabhizinisi abo ake athuthuke noma advertise ukuthi bagcine bonke umuntu uma ufuna ikota usekhaya, ufuna inhloko usekhaya, ufuna ini usekhaya uzokhona ukuthi uxhumane nathi sikwenzele lokho sikuthengele sikulethele nje straight to your doorstep.
Mhlawumbe before ngikudedela iFoodist mhlawumbe niyivula ngokubuka mhlawumbe ukuthi kunokushoda kulama deliveries companies noma mhlawumbe nje nithena hayi no we are ready to compete.
I-competition yona ikhona yonke indawo kodwa sibukele ukuthi kakhulukazi lama business aselokishini lawo amancane angadeliver njengamanje nje ama business nje njengoba besangibekisile njengabo boTshatsha boRasta boMalabela boNBM abadeliver kuyenza ukuthi ukudla kwakho ukuthande kodwa abangakhona ukufinyelela ushoda ngetransport ushoda ngani thina la sesingenelela khona ukuthi nabo bakhona ukuthi bakhuphule ukuthi amathuba omsebenzi abe khona yonke indawo wonke umuntu akhona ukuthi makadayisa axhumane nathi sikhona ukuthi sixhumane nawe sikuthengele ukudla sikulethele kube khona into kanje sisebenzisa zona isimo into njengeyitututu kanje.
Mhlawumbe mangikuzwa kahle igceke kakhulu ngaphela ekushini uyabazababala boTshatsha boMalabela boNBM ngaphi isizweni sabamhlophe noma mhlawumbe ngathi ngapha edolobheni nizenjani khona?
Nangapha edolobheni sizasebenza kuzo zonke izitoro ngoba sesihambile sakhuluma nabo saba ne-communication nabo ukuthi sagcine sivumelana ukuthi sizokhona ukuthi laba angafinyeleli khona thina sizofinyelela njengakwezinye indawo njenge-KFC ayifinyeleli lokishini ayinayo into lokudeliver lapho thina sesingenelela khona uma ufuna i-KFC noma ufuna ini imantshi noma ufuna ini konke nje okuhlobo le-restaurant noma abe kusesitoro sokudla isitoro senyama ibushari konke nje okudinga ukuthi wena mhlawumbe ngalelo langa ufuna ukuphuma endlini siyakhona ukuthi usibhalele uWhatsApp noma uFacebook noma uInstagram sikhona ukuthi sikulethele lento yakho noma usendele ilist sikuthengele sikulethele ekhaya.
Thank you so much. Coming to you Michael, what can you say maybe based on this?
Hey everybody, my name is Michael Nare. I am part of Foodies. I am part of the management team. Basically what I can say about Foodies was created to specifically help rural communities with the food and food delivery specifically. You know, we really want to expose the greater Mkhondo to more local and secret food that nobody else knows of. So we're giving them free advertising so that people can get to know okay, wow, there is a variety of food in our community, so there is more diverse than just the normal. You know, if you want something more traditional, we have you. If you want something more American, whatever, you want something special, you can find what you want with Foodies.
But I just want to know if maybe these small businesses like Borasta, NBM, are they gonna pay to you, or you just go there, buy whatever you're buying, and then that's it?
So basically, like I said, we want to help local communities and local shop owners. So with them joining us and teaming up with us, we did not charge them at all. We are literally giving them free advertising. So if you order whatever you order from them, they get all their money. They don't pay us any cent for advertising, for delivery, nothing.
Oh yeah, the only person that is paying is the one who's buying.
Correct.
Oh yeah. No, I think, but for someone who will say a new company, we just want to maybe get to know it, maybe as time goes on, what can you say? Because trusting someone, people are in this time, it's not an easy thing. What can you say for people to trust you?
What I can say is that first and foremost, Foodies is not going anywhere. Foodies, the whole creation of Foodies is the identity of our town. We're going to expose and showcase the magnificence of our town. Foodies is not just about the food, it's about the people who make the food. It's about the people who love the food. You know, food is such a central point for many people that we want to showcase and tell you that no, there's so much out there, you know, for you to try and for you to see.
Yeah. So tell me, maybe I can say, take me through the process of ordering and delivering, paying, all of those kind of a thing.
All right. So as of right now, we do have our WhatsApp number, right? And our WhatsApp number is 077-487-6946, right? And you can WhatsApp the number, and there you'll be assisted where you can get a request. You can ask for what menu you want. You can send you an option of menus. From there, you will look to the menu and decide what you want, choose what you want, then you let us know what you want. Then from there, we will place your order for you, collect your order for you, and bring it to you. So you just have to order what you want, and we'll do the whole process for you. Or what you can do as well is that you can order by yourself, but if you cannot pick the order up, you can send us the order information, and we will collect your order for you.
So where do I pay? I pay you, or I pay straight to the shop?
So what would happen is that our drivers will come and collect your order, pay for the order, then bring it to you, and then you would essentially just refund the driver and pay back the money to us that you owe.
Then what if maybe when your driver comes in, then there's some stories, hey, my money is sorted, or I don't have the money, or you don't have get the person. In terms of security,
yes,
that's what my concern is now.
So the truth is, as much as we are very cautious that we can't very necessarily limit that. We can't really control the collapse that's out of our control. We are just hoping that people are as honest as we are with our business, that when you do order, you're ordering because you are able to fund it.
Oh yeah. So and I'm gonna come back to you for your closer.
Hayi lami lokugcina nje ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi sibambisane sisithuthukise ngoba sizovula namathuba omsebenzi kubantu bonke basemkhonda abasha, nabanye baba bazogcina sebajoyina nakithi umuntu eze naso nesikuta sakhe. Kuningi nje kusazokwenzeka okuzogcina ukuthi siyisane nazo zonke izinto esibhekane nazo nje since sibona nje umhlaba kanjani. Kodwa nje siyabonga ukuthi masingabambisana kube khona ukuthembana nayo yonke into siyenze nje ngokuhloniphana.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Your last words, Baba.
And just like my friend said, that we are grateful for the opportunity to bring, you know, such a service to the town, and we just hope that, you know, people can join us in the journey. You know, there's a lot that we can do for this town. There's a lot that we can do as a community together. When we find out our true identity as a community, and we find out how we interact with each other and how beautiful that is, that's when something beautiful can come from that.
No, thank you so much. Inamba kabatholakala kuyona ngizoyiphinda is 077 487 6946. Siyabonga.